Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to set up a digital bullet journal in Notion. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to set up a digital bullet journal in Notion, all you can do is simply go to Notion. Once you're in your Notion, you need to simply get logged in into your account. After getting logged in into your account, you can start by creating a new page or either building one from scratch. So once you have built one from scratch or simply choose from the templates that are given on the Notion, you can simply start it. After this, all you gotta do is simply once you have the template, you can organize it with all the index pages for navigation and create a monthly page for task list, weekly logs and reflections. You can customize it with database for goals, trackers and journal entries, and use buttons to generate new weekly or monthly spreads easily. So this way you can use and set up a digital bullet journal in Notion. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.